Optimizing Minecraft graphics settings can enhance your gaming experience by improving performance and visuals. Follow these simple steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Access the settings menu. Launch Minecraft and navigate to the main menu. Click on Options, then select Video Settings to access the graphics settings. Step 2. Adjust render distance. In the Video Settings menu, locate the render distance option. Lowering this setting can significantly improve performance, especially on lower-end systems. A setting between 8 to 12 chunks is generally a good balance. Step 3. Change graphics settings. Find the graphics option in the Video Settings. Switch from fancy to fast to reduce the graphical load. This change will simplify the visuals but can increase frame rates. Step 4. Modify smooth lighting. Look for the smooth lighting setting. Setting it to off or minimum can help boost performance by reducing the lighting effects that require more processing power. Step 5. Optimize other settings. Explore additional options like particles, entity shadows, and VSync. Setting particles to minimal, disabling entity shadows, and turning off VSync can further enhance performance. By following these steps, you can optimize your Minecraft graphics settings for a smoother and more enjoyable gaming experience. Enjoy your time in the blocky world.